At approximately 8:51 a.m., a Metropolitan Police officer responded to the 3400 block of Baker Street, Northeast, for a call of a suspicious vehicle. Upon arrival, this officer located a vehicle that was occupied and running. The officer observed the occupant of the vehicle was asleep and the ignition was punched. The officer determined the vehicle was stolen and then called for additional units over the radio and flagged down a United States Park Police vehicle for assistance. United States Park Police Officer 1 and Officer 2 responded to this request for assistance by the Metropolitan Police Department officers on scene for a vehicle reported as stolen. The vehicle was parked near the intersection of 34th Street Northeast and Baker Street Northeast. After officers attempted to detain the driver, the vehicle accelerated, then crashed into a house near the intersection of 36th Street Northeast and Clay Street Northeast.
Car 512.
Car 512.
Hold me out at 34th and Baker Street. MPD just flagged me down. They got a call by a suspicious vehicle. We're going to approach the vehicle now.
34th and Baker, quadrant of the city.
512 Northeast.
10-4, station's, radio courtesy, please.
512, there's one appears to be asleep. The ignition's punched out, so maybe stolen.
10-4, copy, occupied and possibly stolen. 0903.
Bubba Tillman route, start, MPD.
10-4, hereby or PD, MPD.
You good? Right. Fuck. In the car. Get there. 502, 10:30. Vehicle just took off. Start closing the vehicle with them. Freeze! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Shit! Stop! Get up! Get out! Stop! Stop, man! Just let me out! Let me out! Stop! Stop or I'll shoot! Stop! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Don't move! Any word on that AED? Got an AED?
No,
Responding.
Hey, 500, I'll be out in a second.
Let Eagle know we can do an LZ right by the house. It'll be high glass. But I don't know where else it could be.
I heard it say River Terrace Park.
That's it is saying.
512, the Eagle might be able to do an LZ right by the house.
By the house, give me that location of the house.
Hey, you got an AED?
Driver was pronounced deceased on scene. A firearm was recovered inside the vehicle. This photograph of the firearm was taken at the scene and published in the Metropolitan Police Department's March 23, 2023 press release. Both United States Park Police officers were transported to an area hospital for treatment. The investigation into this incident is being handled by the Metropolitan Police Department and reviewed by the United States Attorney's Office for the District of Columbia. An administrative review of this incident is being conducted by the Department of the Interior.